Hey friends, we have planned to bring out the blooming scientist in you. Yes, you have guessed it absolutely right. Here, we come with a new series of science experiments which each and every one of you can try at home. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it's gonna be interesting and thrilling for each and every one of our science lovers. We'll be doing a wonderful experiment on air pressure. I have taken water in a glass jug. You can take water in any container. Next, you have to take a glass with a smooth rim. See, here I have taken a glass with a smooth rim, a small one preferably. Next, you need to take a ball. It's just to check whether the water flows down or not. You can take a small piece of cardboard or a postcard. Since I had a cardboard, I took a small piece of it. Now, fill the glass with water. You just need a small quantity or just sufficient of water. See here? So that's my quantity. Now, all you have to do is place the postcard or the small piece of cardboard on the glass and keep your palm on the postcard. See? Very simple. You just have to keep your palm on it. Okay? Just keep it for a few seconds. Now we'll see what's gonna happen. Now slowly turn the glass upside down. Yeah, you see, we need to slowly turn the glass upside down. Woohoo! Just look at it. Isn't that wonderful? Not a single drop of water is falling down. And you need to remove your hand slowly. Just check it out. It's nothing called magic here. See, not a single drop of water is flowing to the ball. You can see it? Yeah, you will feel really excited when you will do this experiment. So, what's the science behind it? Yes, the air pressure on the postcard is more than the weight of water in the glass. Thus, the postcard remains attached to the glass of water and does not fall off.